viewers. Today we will talk about
كما نعلم الحضور
a
الكريم أعزائي
Chinese
المشاهدين أن
light
يتم
attack
التغطية من
aircraft
العروض الجوية بالطيران
that I
باعترافه
see
بسماء الإبداع
very
ونعمة
promising
وجمال
for
لا
the
مثيل
future
له.
because it's a
نشاهد
advanced
الدورية
jet trainer
هنا في
and
سماء
also a
الإمارات
light attack
يتحركوا
aircraft.
بطائراتهم وملامسة
It
أجنحتهم
has very
لمواجهة
actively
الطائرات.
participated in
هم يرسمون
this
لوحات
year
جوية في السماء. نشاهد
2023
الآن من جهة
Dubai Air
اليسار
Show
طائرة L-15 في
with
حلقة العالي
solo and
بسماء
also
E-42.
aerobatics team from China was also there. Uh, Moreover, I have heard that more countries are also uh, interested in its import. So we will talk about that today. It's uh, it's called in China. It was called Hongdu GL10, but its export version is called L-15. Its first flight took place
طائرة
on
تحتوي بشكل
13th
عام على
March
محركين
2006,
إلكترونيين ينتجان قوة
and it
قوية
was
وانفعالي وتتمتع بقدرة ممتازة على
finally
التناول واستخدام عالية
officially
للطائرة
inducted
والتدريب
in
القاتلة.
2013 in People's Liberation Army Air Force, and also later exported to Zambian Air Force, and UAE Air Force also has put an order for it. We will talk in detail later. It's called L-15 Falcon also. It's a supersonic advanced jet trainer and light combat aircraft developed by Hongdu Aviation
طيرتان
Industry
الطيران
Corporation
المصممين بأداء هذه العروض
HAIC.
هنا في سماء إمارة دبي وكلاهما طيران
It
اختبار
was actually
جيان
China
عام
Aviation
والطيران
Industry
العاشر.
Corporation 2
كان أول طيران يحمل
AVIC 2
الطائرة في 13 من مارس لعام 2006
was working toward the
وبالتالي
advanced
انتهينا
trainer
عام 2007
for People
ومباشرة
Liberation
تم
Army
تصديرها من
by
قبل مجموعة
year
من
2000.
الصندوق لصناعة الطائرات.
So the AVIC 2 contracted the Yakovlev Design Bureau from Russia. That is the designer of famous Russian trainer YAK-130, Yak-130 trainer. So that company was a technical and scientific consultant for the L-15 program. The prototype was completed in September 2005 and first flew on 13 March 2006. The initial variants were subsonic, advanced jet trainer,
تعتبر هذه الطائرة
and
مطورة
later
حاملة الصندوق
this is now
K9
supersonic advanced
مع
fighter
الدبابة
trainer.
التي تملك هذا النوع من الطائرة
Uh,
خاصية وزامنة
it's now
وإصرارية.
designated L-15B. It was initially announced in 2010, and Zambia ordered six of them. Now they are called L-15Z in 2014 for $100 million. Six aircraft in $100 million that were delivered in 2016 and 2017.
الAR absolutely جوه والجدير بالذكر أعزائي المشاهدين أن
Uh,
وزارة الدفاع
it is
المملكة
claimed
الإمارات العربية المتحدة
by
قد أعلنت عن عزمها توقيع عقد مع الشركة الوطنية الصينية
PLAAF,
لاستيراد
People's
وتسليم
Liberation Army Air
أطفال
Force,
الطيران الكتك
that the
للصين.
GL-10 reduces
إنشاء
candidate and
واشنطن يعمل
conversion
على
training
توازن
time
اختيار شراء
for
37 طائرة
more
إضافية في
recent
السنوات المستقبلية.
PLAF aircraft. That means the advanced PLF fighters. For them, this aircraft reduces candidate and conversion training time. On 23rd February 2022, the UAE announced that its intention to buy 12 L-15 with an option for 36 more. The deal, the value of deal was not released, but the Emirati newspaper The National reported that China sells the
فاشنطن
L-15
أعزائي
for
المشاهدين
between 10 to
في
15
حلقات
million
المناورات
dollar per unit.
كلها طيران
It uses
الصينية طائرة
this
ال-F-15
aircraft uses
والتي
fly-by-wire
تجسد إتقانا
and a
يلامس
glass
أروع
cockpit.
الفن في
The
عالم الأرض
prototype were powered by
كما يستعرض هذا
Lotarev
الطيران
DV2
الإماراتي
turbofans.
الأداء المتميز
Uh,
ويعكس روح التوازن
Initially,
الفائق في
L-15A
السماء.
had Avachinko Progress AL-2222-25 engine, and it had seven hardpoints. Now the supersonic advanced fighter trainer variant is powered by afterburning AL-222K-25. This Venture Progress company was initially a joint venture between Ukraine and Russia. Now, from 2015 onwards, the Russian company is making this engine on its own. I've heard. Now, this has a maximum speed of Mach 1.4. Compared to L-15A, the L-15B has shorter takeoff and landing distances and two more hardpoints. That means nine hardpoints. The earlier version has
تعتبر ثباتها
had
الآن
seven
الاحترافي والقدرات
hardpoints.
الخطيرة والتفوق الفني
They both,
ما
the both
يساهم
version
في
use
إعزاز
the
عمل
PESA
السماء
radar,
والانجذاب
PESA,
الخاص
PESA
بهذه
radar.
السماء كما يعكس الطيران الاحترافي ورمز للقدرات
Currently,
والمهارات كما نشاهد
it's
الآن طائرة
the People's
L-15
Liberation Army Air Force has in
استعادة
excess of
إطارات
50
الدويل
aircrafts, and People Liberation Army Naval Air Force has 12 aircrafts. Zambian Air Force has 6 aircrafts, and UAE Air Force has 12 for now, and they are projected to be 48 aircraft in the end. And Ethiopia is also listed as a prospective buyer here, but the number of aircraft are not listed. It's of course has a for training. It has a crew of two, length of 40 feet 8 inches, wingspan 30 feet 10 inches, height 15 feet 5 inches, max takeoff weight 11,600 kg,
الآن سيداتي سادتي طائرة
ferry
L-15
range
تقوم بالتجهيزات
2,600 kilometer.
والتأمين لاستعداد الهبوط هنا
Of
في
course, the
الموقع
ferry
المكتوم بعد هذا الحرب
range means
شيء
that it's just a range with
طائرة
extra fuel tanks
L-15
also, and
الصينية
no weapons on the hard points, and it's also one-way range. Uh, Hard points are 9 with a capacity
وهي
of
بالفعل
3,500
تستعد
kg.
الآن لتوديع طائرة
Missiles, it can
L-15
use the medium range
أول مطار
ST-10
بدبي
air-to-air
للطائرات
missiles also, and
F-23
the PL-8 air-to-air
وكونها
missiles.
تستعد الآن
It can
لاستقبال
also has
طائرة
use
الميراج
satellite-guided
الدولة
bombs,
الإماراتية
and of course, it has a
لقيادة
PASA
القوات
radar.
الجوية والدفاع
So
الجوي.
that was all the data I had on this aircraft. Uh, with two engines, I think quite competitive. Uh, when of course there are reports that Pakistan is also interested to buy it. So I think the competition will be between the Hurjet of Turkey and this aircraft. It's to In my Hurjet video, uh, I also discuss this one and two engine advantages and disadvantages. You can see in that. If you have any question, you can ask me. I never miss a question, and uh, I don't have other accounts like in social media, Instagram, etc. So I totally focus on the YouTube videos and their comments and instantly reply the comments. Uh, Also, don't forget to like, subscribe my video and share my videos uh, so that I am motivated to make more videos about these topics. Take care for now. Uh, Bye.
Yo, check it out, this is Sam's on the mic, bringing you the latest news. Yeah, that's right, I'm all about technology, travel in the news. No fake stuff, only here to bring you the truth. From the streets to the online scene, I got the flow that'll make you lean. And the YouTube channel keeping you in the know. Technology, travel, news, everywhere we go. We're the ones you turn to when you need information. And the YouTube channel, we're your destination.